I got together with a group of women and they were talking about menopause and how it's not something that's really addressed because the interest is in women's fertility. And so once they're past that point, there's not a lot of investment in understanding how it works. And so there are many undiagnosed symptoms, perhaps not so similarly for men, because they can still impregnate a woman as they get older. There are myths created by men themselves that they continue to perform as they did when they were much younger. From the time I was young, I remember that there was this idea that if you put bird egg on your business, that it would make it grow long.